When it comes to bathroom design, functionality often takes the spotlight. But the real magic happens when functionality meets style. And wooden ladder shelves are a perfect example of that balance. They are simple, compact, and incredibly versatile. A wooden ladder shelf can instantly change the tone of a bathroom, adding warmth, character, and a sense of modern simplicity without taking up much space. Think about it. Most bathrooms are filled with hard cold surfaces: tile, porcelain, glass, metal. Wood changes that equation. It introduces a natural element, a visual warmth that balances all those sleek materials and makes the space feel more comfortable and lived in. The ladder shelf design itself is clever. It leans vertically using height rather than floor area. That means even in small bathrooms, you get a lot of practical storage without making the room feel cramped. Towels, baskets, candles, plants, or daily essentials. Everything finds its place in a way that feels open and uncluttered. The beauty of the ladder shape is in its adaptability. It doesn't need to be built in or fixed permanently. It can move, adjust, or even stand freely as a statement piece. That flexibility makes it ideal for renters or for anyone who likes to refresh their space every few years. Wood as a material also adds longevity. With the right finish, it can handle humidity and moisture just fine. And its texture, even in simple matte or sealed foam, brings a calm, organic feel that never goes out of style. Different tones of wood create different moods. Light oak or birch gives a Scandinavian-inspired clean look, bright, airy, and modern. Darker woods like walnut or teak brings more contrast and sophistication. Either way, wood tends to make a bathroom feel warmer and more balanced. The best part about ladder shelves is their visual rhythm. The gradual spacing between shelves creates movement, drawing the eye upward and making the bathroom feel taller and more spacious. That vertical rhythm adds a sense of structure without feeling heavy. And unlike bulky cabinets, ladder shelves keep everything visible and accessible. You don't have to open doors or pull out drawers. Everything you need is there, neatly arranged and easy to grab. It is a small detail, but it makes daily routines smoother. Styling them can be as simple or as expressive as you want. A few rolled towels, a small potted plant, and a diffuser are often enough to make it feel complete. The trick is balance. Enough items to feel useful, but not so many that it looks crowded. From a design perspective, ladder shelves also help unify materials. They tie together other wooden accents, like a vanity top or framed mirror, and create a cohesive story in this space. Even one well-placed wooden element can make an entire bathroom feel more thoughtful and finished. Beyond aesthetics, ladder shelves have a kind of casual charm. They don't look like built-in furniture. They look approachable, like something that you can live with, not just look at. That is a big part of why they have become so popular in modern interior design. Maintenance is also straightforward. A quick wipe down keeps them clean, and an occasional coat of sealant or polish keeps the wood protected. In most homes, they age gracefully, developing a patina and character with time rather than wear. If your bathroom needs both function and warmth, a wooden ladder shelf is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. It fits into almost any style: rustic, minimalist, modern, even industrial. And it is one of those rare pieces that looks good while staying practical. It is proof that good design doesn't have to be complex. Sometimes the simplest forms, like leaning wooden shelf, brings the most balance and beauty into a space. So, whether your goal is extra storage, visual height, or just a touch of natural texture, a wooden ladder shelf delivers all three in one elegant design. It is practical, timeless, and quietly stylish. A perfect example of how small details can transform a room's entire feel. So until next time, happy decorating.